In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your primary domain in Bluehost by speaking with a support agent. Changing your primary domain isn't something you can fully do on your own inside the dashboard, so I'll walk you through exactly how to reach the right person and what to expect during the process. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to get your primary domain updated without confusion or delays. First, it's important to understand what a primary domain is in Bluehost. Your primary domain is the main address associated with your hosting account. It usually shows up in your file structure, in certain default settings, and in some billing or account references. Because of how deeply it's tied into your account, Bluehost doesn't allow you to just click a button and rename it. Instead, you need to work with their support team who can safely make that change on the back end for you. You have two main ways to contact a guide or support agent: chat and phone. Let's start with the chat option, since that's often the most convenient for many users. To use chat, open your browser and go to the official Bluehost contact page. Once you're there, you'll typically see an automated assistant or bot that starts the conversation. To get past the bot and connect with a real human, simply type the phrase "change primary domain." Using those exact words helps the system understand your request and route you to the right kind of agent more quickly. When the agent joins the chat, briefly explain that you'd like to change the primary domain on your account. They may ask you to verify your account details for security purposes, such as confirming your domain, your username, or other non-sensitive information. Be ready with the current primary domain and the new domain you want to use. The agent will then review your account, confirm that the new domain is available and properly associated with your hosting, and proceed with the rename process. If you prefer to talk to someone directly, or if chat isn't available, you can reach support by phone instead. From within the United States, you can call the standard Bluehost support line. If you're outside the US, there is a separate international support number you can use. You can find both numbers listed clearly on the Bluehost contact page. When you call, you'll usually go through a short menu system. Follow the prompts to reach hosting support or general account support. Once you're connected with an agent, let them know you want to change your primary domain. Just like with chat, they'll verify your account, confirm your current and desired primary domains, and then handle the rename on their side. In both cases, whether you use chat or phone, it's a good idea to ask the agent how long the change will take to fully apply. Sometimes the rename can be fairly quick, but it may take a little time for everything to update across their systems. After the change is complete, log back into your Bluehost account and make sure your new primary domain appears correctly where you expect it. That's all you need to do. You can't rename the primary domain yourself, but by reaching out via chat or phone and clearly stating that you want to change primary domain, a Bluehost guide will be able to complete it for you safely and correctly.